entering the arena representing the red team, it's Ramforce!
Ahmed, this wide design tends to cause debris to pile up in front, increasing the load it must push.
And his opponent from the blue team, it's Jawbreaker.
This bot's wide stance and narrow nose make him surprisingly adept at running the gauntlet.
Robots, get your micro switches in motion. Let's do the gauntlet.
Robots ready.
Ramforce busts through the glass and the cans. Jawbreaker crashing into the stones. Ramforce is at the safe. Jawbreaker just powering away at the safe. And he takes it! Ramforce, it's over, buddy. Jawbreaker takes the gauntlet. Again, representing the gold team, it's Viper.
Viper's wedge and pushing power could give him the advantage.
And his opponent from the silver team, it's Juggerbot.
His tremendous speed and super strength are key in this event.
Okay, it's time to kick some robot butt. Come on, chickens. Robotica.
Robots ready.
There goes Juggerbot. Go, baby, go. Don't stop. Don't stop. Taking the tape. Juggerbot takes it. He's moving on to the fight, to the finish. The orange team, it's Critical Mass.
Ahmed, this bot's low gear ratio and body design caused him to high center in this event last time.
And his opponent from the purple team, it's Run Amok.
Down at points, it's all or nothing for this father-son team.
Okay, robots, let's light this candle.
Robots ready.
Critical Mass blasts through the glass. Run Amok attacking the bricks. Critical Mass answers and hauls into the safe. Run Amok with a big pile-up. Critical Mass is stuck at the safe. Run Amok trying to get past those stones. He's down by 40 points. Must take this event to get to the fight, to the finish. Still no word from Critical Mass, just lying there. Run Amok using every ounce of his strength, pounding away. Son Aaron cheering him on. Seems like Run Amok has a brick caught between his wedge and tire there. Critical Mass is immobilized. He suffered a similar setback in his previous gauntlet. Run Amok making a little bit of a dent, trying to get through all the debris. Sounds like his motor may be dying out. If neither bot completes this race, Critical Mass, ahead on points, is moving on. And Run Amok knows it.
Hey, oh, man.
Come on, baby. Come on, get back there. Come on. Mark Jorger having a heart-to-heart with this robot. His power's back, but he's barely moving that safe. Can you hear the crowd rooting for him? Come on, Run Amok! Come on, baby! Jorger working those controls. Come on, you can do it! He's got a clearing on the left. That safe is moving! Critical Mass in critical condition. The crowd is going crazy! Run Amok inches away from a dramatic upset. Look at the intensity. Come on. So close. So close. Come on. And he does it! Run Amok wins the gauntlet! What an effort! An ecstatic Mark Jorger